This is the power converter for HP, kW, watts, and BTU-H, which instantly converts between 6 different power measurement units engineers use daily. The calculator has 2 main inputs. First, you'll see the From Unit drop-down menu, which offers 6 options: horsepower HP, kilowatts kW, watts W, BTU-H, FTLB-S, and metric horsepower PS. For this demonstration, I'm selecting horsepower HP. Below that is the power value input field, where you simply enter your power value. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 in the power value field and click Calculate Power Conversions. The results appear instantly. Our 10 horsepower converts to exactly 7.4570 kilowatts kilodollars. In watts W, that's 7457.0. For thermal applications, we get 25444.34 BTU-H. The mechanical equivalent shows 5500 Oz FTLBS. And finally, in metric HP/PS, our value equals 10.1387. Notice how 1 horsepower is slightly less than 1 metric horsepower, which is why we get a value just above 10. This converter eliminates manual calculations and potential errors when working across different power standards. Find the link in the description below.